In this video, I'll demonstrate how to build an AI appointment booking bot in Go High Level, enabling you to have a virtual employee available 24/7, 365. This bot can handle DMs, messages, and texts, booking meetings, or selling your services or products, effectively replacing the need for appointment setters or virtual assistants who are often inconsistent, lazy, and expensive. I'll show you how to create this bot for both yourself and your clients. We will cover two versions: a beginner-friendly one using ChatGPT within Go High Level, and a more advanced one requiring webhooks, Zapier, and an OpenAI key. The beginner version is straightforward and ideal for newcomers, while the advanced version offers more in-depth functionality but is more complex to set up. I'll walk you through the workflow and automation process, detailing how to set triggers and conditions, customize responses, and integrate ChatGPT. This video will be highly valuable for anyone new to automation or running an agency. When setting up an AI appointment booking bot, it's essential to save your workflow and incorporate a short wait time, ideally 1 minute, to make responses appear more natural. This delay prevents the bot from responding instantly, which can reveal it as non-human. The objective is to keep prospects engaged quickly, to maintain their interest, and avoid them looking elsewhere. To automate responses, set up an Instagram DM trigger with a keyword, offering a free resource like a PDF or training. After sending the initial message, wait for the contact's reply and set a condition. If they respond, continue the conversation. If not, wait 24 hours and send a follow-up message. The goal is to create a natural and engaging interaction that keeps the prospect interested. For those who want a more advanced bot with human-like responses, a second, more complex setup is available. You can reach out to me on Instagram for detailed prompts and assistance to fully build this system at a lower cost than using high-level services. To create an AI booking bot, it's crucial to set the temperature to 0.2 for focused, deterministic responses rather than random ones. Start by setting a trigger, such as an Instagram DM, and input your prompt to ChatGPT. Set conditions for responses. If the lead replies, continue the conversation. If not, follow up after 24 hours. This simple workflow ensures the bot engages with prospects effectively. For a more advanced setup using ChatGPT 4 and Zapier, create an OpenAI account, obtain the API key, and connect it to Zapier. This configuration allows for more in-depth, human-like conversations, although it is more complex to set up. Start with the simpler version before transitioning to the advanced setup for better reliability and engagement. What you'd need to do is you'd need to get the, I think it's basically this one, usually what I likely found to work best. So no doubt, you put in your points of interest and you essentially have to be, fill in what you need. But on the off chance that you don't have any qualifying questions in your arrangement setting, standard operating procedure, at that point, it's reaching to be a parcel simpler because you'll be able expel, just like the precluding criteria, you'll be able remove, all this stuff, and you'll essentially a bit like have it a parcel easier, but you essentially duplicate and glue this into the right-hand press spare. As you'll be able to see, I've already done it here, so it's beautiful, straightforward. And after that, you basically need to test it in play area. So you may say like, howdy, who is this? Affirm. I think I was implied to tap, run, not enter, but it ought to react. So are you curious about booking an arrangement with us? So you'll see how that works apart more productively. And in the event that I were to tap, right? Definitely sure, I do not know in the event that it's really attending to send this, because I do not think I put in my calendar interface, but I do not know, maybe it'll say something. Great, I'll be inquiring you a few qualifying questions around our services to decide the leading arrangement for you. This should take some minutes and can be completed through content. Can we start on the off chance? that I have to put. Yes, I haven't actually given the prompt any qualifying questions, so I do not know what it's going to say. Yeah, just like your name, but you'll be able to alter this. You'll be able provide them a Calendary interface here so they can book in. And after that, you'll be able to be selective with, once they book, you can at that point cancel calls. That's your choice. But no doubt you essentially want to test this. Make beyond any doubt it's running well. At that point, you'd need to go to your API keys. And after that, make a modern mystery key. And after that, you fundamentally need to duplicate that. Send it over to Zapier. I think you would like the starter or the premium Zapier range. Otherwise, I do not think it's going to work. But once you are doing that, you'd at that point need to have the that link to tall level, essentially. And after that, once it joins to high level, you ought to be great to go. But once more, you would test it into Zapo, and you'll continuously hard code, prompt it into Zapo yourself, using the same provoke you employ actually for the assistance, basically in here, if that creates sense. So definitely that's why it may be a lot more progressed to actually like do that. But I do not know how on Soil I've got to this point where it's like affirm we're back. But yeah, basically what I was saying is, on the off chance that in case you just want this totally done for you, you don't want to construct this yourself, and you need it in your own highly sub account. So you moreover get no doubt this one, so the Facebook one, the Instagram one, SMS one, as well as the ChatGPT one, fair, DM me on Instagram, and I'll fundamentally tell you how you can get to it. But no doubt, other than that, ideally this video helped in your travel in high level, or your agency, in case it did fair takeoff, like and subscribe. That's all I inquire for at the conclusion of the day. I'm attempting to get to 10K subs. So hopefully you'll offer assistance, do that. On the off chance that no stresses, hit the subscribe button. I think I just mentioned that, but I meant the comment area. And yeah, I'll capture you in another video. Take care and observe this video. If you need more on my channel,